Does these flag represent the beauty of women that live in these countries? The answer is no. These flags represent countries only. American women and India women are quite different. I have put together two logos that can represent the beauty of American women and Indian women. India logo. India's culture is among the world's oldest civilization and it has survived for over 4,500 years. Furthermore, the beauty of Indian women has been passed down for generations. This logo represents the clean and elegant skin of Indian women. As you can see, this logo visual communication can be seen in large or small scale. The soft colors symbolize India's women are friendly and hospitable. I chose to use the word beauty in this logo because it has a global, iconic meaning. The word beauty never needs to be defined in any country. And in India, the word beauty is Sudara. American logo. America is considered to be one of the most culturally diverse countries in the world. It is said to be and known as the melting pot. This logo, the silhouette of a woman, represents the multicultural, multi-age, and multi-generation of women. As you can see, this visual communication can be illustrated on a small and large scale. The darkened silhouette with the necklace of the flowers symbolize the pure and simple beauty of women. The iconic word beauty explains itself. The visual attraction from the bold black letters of this word will cause every man, woman, and child to remember this logo.